Who are your mentors as a gun owner? In this video, one of my mentors, George Harris, CEO of International Firearms Consultants, covers who his mentors were along this journey through life. And a quick reminder, we have a gun giveaway going on right now. You can enter for free, but it ends really soon. Just click the link in the description down below to reveal which brand new gun you could win. Now let's watch the video.
This is George Harris with Instructor's Corner. Today I'm going to talk about the mentors in my life, actually 4 different people that helped me to elevate myself to the level that I am now. The first person that got me interested in shooting was my grandmother. When I was 3 years old, I was playing in the woodpile, and my grandmother came out and shot a squirrel out of the tree with a pistol that imprinted on my brain that shooting was a good thing. So after watching my grandmother shoot the squirrel out of the tree, I got interested in firearms, slingshots, bows and arrows, anything that launched projectiles. The next part of the evolution came with my induction into the Army. I became an infantry soldier, a small arms repairman, and a drill instructor. I also got a chance to try out for the competitive shooting teams. My next mentor was First Sergeant James A. Gay. He took me under his wing and showed me the finer points of 2700 bullseye shooting. He also instilled in me the desire to become a distinguished pistol shooter, which I did in the late 1980s. The next of the mentors was Lieutenant Colonel Skip Clark. Skip Clark saw something in me that allowed me to be able to shoot on the national team for the United States Army Reserve. Skip's interest in me took me to heights that I would never have expected to achieve. One of the interesting things about Skip Clark is that I was able to repay the favor that he'd done for me early in my military career. As assistant director and then later director at the Sig Sauer Academy, I hired Skip to work for me to test firearms and renew the relationship that we'd had years earlier in the United States Army. The fourth mentor was Leonard Lorenzen. Leonard was the team coach for the Army Reserve high-power rifle team. They needed rifle shooters that knew what to do with a trigger and a muzzle, and I was elected. Once I started shooting on the rifle team, I saw that I could become a distinguished shooter, which meant that I could become double distinguished with both the pistol and the rifle. Leonard coached me through becoming a distinguished rifle shooter, giving me that honor that few people ever achieve. So they were the 4 people in my life that made me who I am in the shooting world today. I'm George Harris. This is Instructor's Corner. We'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching all the way to the end of the video. And a quick reminder again, we have that gun giveaway going on and it ends really soon. All you have to do is click the link below to reveal which brand new gun you could win. I'm Kevin Michalowski, Director of Content for the U.S. Concealed Carry Association. If you enjoy videos like this, please subscribe to this channel and click that notification bell. We'll notify you every time something new comes out. Stay safe, and we'll see you in the next video.